Do not touch. That's the first thing that any individual would come to notice when he or she enters a museum throughout the world. But over here at the Indian Museum in Kolkata, things are pretty different. Over here, we can see these 3D models that have been specifically crafted, exact impersonations of age-old art, especially for the ones who cannot see. So, if an individual is completely visually impaired, does that person have no right to venture into a museum? Extremely noble a cause wherein the Indian Museum has crafted these 3D modules, 3D impersonations of paintings where the visually impaired can come and touch and get a sense of what exactly the painting is. So far, two such artifacts, two such paintings have been converted into 3D models, and one artifact has been converted. So total three. This is another one, as we can see completely over here. An exact copy, or a somewhat exact copy of the original painting. This one by Abhinandannath Tagore. It's almost 100+ year old, and it is specifically being done for the ones who cannot see and giving them a huge access to the museum and to these wonderful crafts and art pieces which would not be possible if the Indian Museum authorities hadn't taken this initiative. With camera person Shamsundar Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.